Hi guys! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to select and move all the clips on the right side in DaVinci Resolve. So let me show you what I mean. Over here I want everything that is on the right side to be selected. If we have a lot of clips, instead of selecting like this manual, we can move our playhead over here and hold Option plus Y. So everything that is on the right side of our playhead will be selected like this. And on Windows is Alt plus Y. But of course, if you want to change it, just navigate to the keyboard customization and in search type select clip. We are looking for this select clips forward, and you can see it here. You can manually customize it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.